Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. In this video, I'm going to show you my delicious rice and beans that I serve with a fish tomato sauce. You are going to love this recipe, I promise. So give me a thumbs up now and let's get started. For the ingredient list and exact measurement, please check the description box below. I'm going to start with heating the oil and I will slice the onions. Then add just about 2 tablespoons of the sliced onion in the hot oil and saute for a few minutes. For this recipe, you can use any type of rice, but I choose to use Basmati rice. So I'm going to wash my rice really well, like 3 times, and then I will set aside. Once my onions are tender, I will add my cubes. This is my homemade bouillon cubes, but you can add any type of cubes if you like. To that, I will add black pepper, ground ginger, few herbs, and a little bit of curry powder and mix well. Now I will add my rice and saute for a few minutes. Then cover this with water. This type of rice, for 2 cups of water, I always add 4 cups of water. To that, I will add 1 bay leaf and salt to taste. Mix well and bring that to a boil. Once it starts to boil, add in your cooked beans. You can use any type of beans in this recipe, but you have to cook them completely before adding in the rice. Reduce the heat on low, cover and let this cook slowly until all the liquid is completely absorbed. You will need to check few times. You can even add more water if your rice is dry, but mine is okay here. If you are loving my recipe, so please subscribe now for more delicious African recipes. You can serve this recipe with any type of sauce you like, but I love to serve it with a delicious tomato sauce. So for that, I have my fish here, which I'm going to salt. Then I will heat some oil and fry the fish until brown. If you are still watching this recipe, please give me a thumbs up now. Once your fish is brown, remove and reserve. Then in the same oil, add the remaining onions and saute until the onions are tender. To that, I will add my homemade bouillon cubes, but you can add any seasoning you like. Add in a full tablespoon of tomato paste and mix in well. For the fresh tomato, I will wash it in water, but you can cut it into small cubes if you like. Add the fresh tomatoes in and mix. Then let this cook until the oil is on top of the sauce. Now I'm going to add all my spices like black pepper, ground ginger, curry powder, and I will salt to my taste. Then mix in well. This is some fish powder. Add it in if you have. If you don't have, just leave it. The last step is to add the fish and cover with a little bit of water. Cook this until all the liquid is completely absorbed and the oil is on top of the sauce. Now, once your rice is ready, serve it with the tomato sauce and fish and enjoy. And that's it, guys. I hope you will try this recipe, and if you do, please let me know how you like it. So have a nice day, guys. Bye.